Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your Earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 4 Pro using application. You have to start by open SOUNDPEATS application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu as I have, but just give a second to it. Yeah, you can see this menu. And right here at the right bottom we have a button what called reset, so we need to tap on it and then click at the reset and then sure. Now we should wait. And now, as you can see, it removed our earbuds from the application. Excellent. Now hide the application and go to the settings, Bluetooth for connected devices. And firstly we need to remove this earbud, so click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. Then forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device, and after a factory reset these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so we should see it at the device list and you just tap on it, and if you have Android also you click pair. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!